First you have to know, not fear. Know that someday you're gonna die.
You don't know how this feels.
It's only after we've lost everything that we're free to do anything.
They done let me out. They done called my name. They done read the 4 chapters. Now I'm back. Rick Sitch. I've been born again. Master, hit the switch. Igor, he's alive. Yeah. Sound it off. Sound it off. Yo, let's start riding. My flows bring the tide in. My John Cochran, break your pride in. I shagged her before you married her. Took the ring, pawned it for a Niagara. Got breaking the sound barrier. Hardcore bullet, fofo bullet. Got your camp running, used it for footage. Brick City, suspects put it. Yo, watch me through trees, attacking sharks in the deep blue sea. Aim lock on, golden eye, war in the snowstorm with double O on. UK blow your horns. Put you in ICU, getting blood drawn. That did it off of Adam F. Ball. I move like Robotron. Turn the lights on. Yo. Fat ass. Come on. What I want everybody to do right now is blow your motherfucking horns. Louder, louder. Yo, if you want that shit, that hardcore rough shit, motherfuckers blow your horns. Just smash up, crash up. If you want that shit, that smoking fucking bitch shit, motherfuckers blow your horns. Just smash up, crash up. Yo, from hunger to hungry to hungriest. Pack 2 cannons by the pancreas. Your whole camping list, abandoned ship. Put your knuckles up and dance with it. I'll shut down cops, still lay badges. Off of Operation Kill the Rabbit. PPP niggas be jacking cabins. Look in the camera and pull a mask up, laughing at ya. Yeah, I X'd you out, somebody help them out with mouth to mouth. You to me, son, what you talking about? If your third eye look, then I called you out. Bitches fuck me, belly walking out. For a thieving asshole, phone parking out. There's one more body in the harbor now. Verbal assault killer, calm him down. I opened fire, made you retire. Hung your shoes from a telephone wire. So when I ride by, I'll brag on it. Paragraphs fly with toe tags on it. I plant a bomb when you pick your mail up. It's bricks, so y'all hit the fallout shelter. Die, niggas, bitches, jump up. Criminals, hustlers, hoes, jump up. Want that shit.
Be headed for the serious strife. Now you make the scene all day, but tomorrow they'll be held to pay. In the afterlife, you could be headed for the serious strife. Now you make the scene all day, but tomorrow they'll be held to pay. The people listen attentively. I mean about future calamity. I used to think the idea was obsolete until I heard the old man stamping his feet. Where eternally fire is applied to the body. Teeth are extruded and bones are ground and baked into cakes which are passed around.